What's up guys, it's your boy, still needs an intro, and today we're going to be changing up the front end of the Magnum. Now I'm going to begin filming inside because it is so windy outside, but I'll give a quick voiceover of how I started everything and then I'll pick it up from there. One more quick note before the video gets started. All of the products that I will be using in this video will be linked down in the description below, including paint, primer, clear coat, and of course the lip. And on top of that, if you use my link to purchase said products, you help support the channel. So, with that being said, let's get back to the video. Now we're actually going to start off by taking the bumper off the way that we did in the previous video. I'll leave a link to that down in the description below, but you can see the bumper is actually off to the side over here. Now in order to take the fog light bezels out, there are 4 tabs. There's 2 in the front, and then there are 2 off to the side. Now we're going to go ahead and flip this over. You can see on the back there are 3 bolts that hold the actual fog light itself in place. Now there are 2 tabs on the back side with these little green pins. You just pull those up and then the fog light pushes out. Now I'm actually going to start off with the fog light bezels. Before I sand, I want to make sure I have a clean surface. So I'm just going to Now that that's cleaned up, I'm going to put down our sandpaper, and we'll just start roughing up the surface. Now we're pretty much going to do the same thing, except I'm going to take it one section at a time. I just put the lip and the fog light bezels out in the sun. Oh my goodness. All right, you're gonna flip the camera around. Make sure you're sitting beforehand, okay? So here's your chance. Go ahead and sit down. In 3, 2, 1. And after I got this first coat of clear on there, turned out really nice. It looks really good so far. Super duper smooth, like you can't even hear it. Right there are the fog light bezels. You can tell they are quite worn, but it's par for the course whenever your car has 200,000 miles on it. But yeah, everything's going along really smoothly. It's pretty late, and still got to get up in the morning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the last couple coats. I'm gonna end up doing either 3 or 4 coats of clear, and then I'll wet sand it, and then we'll let it cure overnight. And then we'll put it on the car tomorrow morning. Now, this turned out really nice. You can see there is some orange peel throughout a good portion of it, and then little things like this that I'll have to try and figure out. But for the most part, I mean, it turned out really, really nice. I don't know how close it is to the original body color, but for the time being, I'm going to start polishing. I have a medium cut polish from Mother's Polish. I'm gonna do what I can tonight, and then we're gonna put it on the car in the morning. We actually got a break from the weather for half a second, so I'm going to take advantage of this opportunity and take the front bumper off really quick. Then we'll take it up to the front porch and work on it from there. Somehow I lost the footage of me putting the bumper back on. I distinctly remember recording it because my phone fell off my stand in the middle of it, but can't find it, and I don't know where it went. I went through all my deleted stuff, couldn't find it anywhere. So here's the grand reveal. looks good, man. Turned out super nice. Now, despite the fiasco of trying to buy it in the first place, I really like the lip and I love the way that it turned out. I would argue it was worth every single penny. Now, if you liked this video or found it entertaining, please be sure to drop a like and share it with your friends. If you'd consider subscribing, click over here. If you want to see what YouTube recommends you watch next, click over here. And as always, I look forward to seeing you guys next time.